Welcome back to the 7-Day English Speaking Challenge. You made it to day 3, and that means you're already building a great speaking habit.
I'm excited for day 3. What are we going to practice today?
Today, we're going to talk about something you already know very well, your daily routine.
My daily routine? That should be easy because I do the same things every day.
Exactly, and that's why it's perfect for speaking practice. You don't need difficult topics. You can start by talking about the things you do every day.
Okay, where should I start?
Start with the morning. For example, I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
Great. Then you can say, I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Good. Then I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
And after that, I take a shower.
I take a shower.
Excellent. Now let's put those sentences together.
I wake up at 7. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Perfect. See how easy that is?
Yes, I'm just talking about things I already do.
Exactly. That's one of the best ways to practice spoken English. Talk about your real life. Talk about your morning, your work, your school, your meals, and your evening.
So I don't have to create complicated sentences?
Not at all. Simple sentences are enough. The goal is to speak clearly and comfortably.
I think I can talk about my whole day this way.
And that's exactly what we're going to do today. Let's continue. Now let's move from your morning to the rest of your day.
Okay, after I take a shower, I usually have breakfast.
Great sentence. You can say, I have breakfast at 8.
I have breakfast at 8.
Then what do you do?
I go to work.
Perfect. If you're a student, you can say, I go to school. If you work from home, you can say, I start work at 9.
I start work at 9.
Excellent. Now let's practice some useful words that help you connect your ideas. You can use then, after that, and later.
So I can say, I have breakfast, then I go to work.
Exactly.
After that, I have lunch.
Very good.
Later, I come home.
Perfect. Now let's make a longer answer. I'll ask you a question.
I'm ready.
What do you usually do during the day?
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have breakfast. I start work at 9. I have lunch at 1. Later, I come home.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
Can I talk about the evening too?
Of course. You can say, I have dinner with my family.
I have dinner with my family.
Then, I watch TV.
I watch TV.
Or I read a book.
I read a book.
And finally, I go to bed at 11.
I go to bed at 11.
Great job. Now you can describe your day from morning to night.
That was much easier than I thought.
And remember, the more you practice these simple sentences, the more naturally they will come to you. Now it's time for a speaking challenge. I'll ask you questions and you answer in complete sentences.
Okay, let's do it.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7.
What do you do after you wake up?
I get out of bed and brush my teeth.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast.
What time do you start work or school?
I start work at 9.
What do you do after work?
I come home and relax for a while.
Excellent. Now let's make it more personal. Tell me something you enjoy doing every day.
I enjoy listening to music in the evening.
Great answer.
Sometimes I also go for a walk.
Very nice. You're already giving longer answers.
I feel more comfortable now.
And that is exactly what we want. Remember, speaking English is not about knowing every word or making every sentence perfect. It's about using the English you know. You may make mistakes, and that's okay. You may forget a word, and that's okay too. Keep speaking. Keep trying. Every sentence you say is practice, and every practice session makes you stronger. Don't compare your English with someone else's. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday. If you can speak one more sentence today, that is progress. If you can answer one question more confidently, that is progress. Stay consistent, practice your daily routine every day, and enjoy seeing yourself improve.
I like that. I'm going to focus on progress, not perfection.
Exactly. Now let's make your routine even more natural. Let's have a real conversation about our daily routines. I'll start.
Okay.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7. How about you?
I usually wake up at 6:30.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like having a quiet morning.
What do you do first?
I drink some water, brush my teeth, and make breakfast.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have eggs, toast, and coffee.
That sounds good. What time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30. What about you?
I start at 9.
What do you usually do during your lunch break?
I have lunch and sometimes take a short walk.
Nice. What time do you finish work?
I usually finish at 5.
And what do you do after work?
I come home, have dinner, and relax.
That sounds like a nice routine. What do you do before bed?
I usually read for a few minutes and then I go to bed around 11.
Excellent. Did you notice how naturally the conversation moved from one question to another?
Yes, I answered the question and then asked another question.
Exactly. That keeps a conversation alive.
So I can use my daily routine to practice speaking every day.
Absolutely. Talk about what you did today. Talk about what you usually do. Talk about what you're going to do tomorrow.
That gives me something to practice every day.
Exactly. Your everyday life can become your English practice. Great job. You've reached the end of day 3 of our 7-day English speaking challenge.
I really enjoyed today's practice. Now I can talk about my daily routine in English.
And you've learned something very useful. You practice talking about your morning, your work or school, your meals, your evening, and your bedtime routine.
I also learned how to connect my sentences with then, after that, and later.
Exactly. And those small words can help your English sound much more natural.
Can we do one final challenge?
Of course. This time I want you to answer without copying me. Imagine someone asks you, "What is your daily routine?"
Okay. My name is Sarah. I usually wake up at 7. I brush my teeth and take a shower. Then I have breakfast. I start work at 9 and have lunch at 1. After work, I come home and relax. In the evening, I have dinner with my family. Sometimes I watch TV or read a book. Then I go to bed at 11.
Fantastic. That was a complete answer.
I'm surprised I could say all of that in English.
You should be proud of yourself. And now it's your turn. Pause the video and talk about your own daily routine. Speak for at least 1 minute. Don't read. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak.
I'm going to try it tonight.
That's the spirit. Remember, speaking English gets easier when you make it part of your daily life. Talk about your morning while you're getting ready. Talk about your day on your way home. Say your sentences out loud. Small practice every day can make a big difference. Thank you for joining us for day 3 of our 7-day English speaking challenge. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep building your confidence. I'll see you in day 4 of the challenge. Until then, make English part of your everyday life.
See you in day 4.
See you tomorrow. Great job.